Market takes a wild ride. Hold on to your hats, folks. It was a roller coaster day on Wall Street, with the market swinging like a pendulum on a caffeine high. We saw big gains early on, only to give them back by lunchtime. Then a late-day surge left us all wondering, what just happened? This kind of volatility is enough to make even the most seasoned investor break a sweat. But hey, that's why they call it a market, right? If it were predictable, everyone would be rich. The good news is, days like these are also opportunities. Opportunities to buy low and sell high, of course, but more importantly, opportunities to learn and to refine our investing strategies. So, let's dive into the details and see what we can glean from today's market madness. Alright, let's check the scoreboard and see how the major indices fared in today's market brawl. It was a day of mixed emotions and varied results across the board. Investors had their eyes glued to the screens, watching every tick and turn. Let's dive into the details and see what happened. The S&P 500, often considered a barometer for the overall market, managed to inch up by a mere 0.2%. It closed at insert fictional closing value, reflecting a cautious optimism among investors. Despite some sectors facing headwinds, others showed resilience, balancing out the overall performance. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, on the other hand, didn't fare as well. It shed insert fictional points percentage, ending the day at insert fictional closing value. The decline was driven by losses in key industrial stocks, which faced pressure from various economic concerns. However, some blue-chip companies managed to hold their ground, preventing a steeper drop. Over in the tech sector, the Nasdaq Composite had a more positive day. It gained insert fictional percentage, closing at insert fictional closing value. Tech giants and innovative startups alike contributed to this uptick, with investors showing confidence in the sector's growth potential. Celebrations were seen on the trading floors as the Nasdaq managed to defy broader market trends. Moving to the world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, BTC, held relatively steady. It closed at insert fictional value, down just insert fictional percentage. The stability in Bitcoin's price is a welcome sight for investors who have been on a roller coaster ride with this digital asset. Despite minor fluctuations, Bitcoin remains a focal point in the crypto market. Ethereum, ETH, known for its volatility, showed an upward trend today. It rose by insert fictional percentage, closing at insert fictional value. The increase in Ethereum's value reflects growing interest in decentralized finance, DeFi, and other blockchain applications. Investors are keeping a close watch on this space, anticipating further developments. As you can see, it was indeed a mixed bag of results. The tech-heavy Nasdaq managed to eke out a gain, while the Dow, with its heavier weighting in industrials, felt the pressure. And the crypto crew? Well, they're doing what they do best, keeping us guessing. The market's performance today highlights the diverse factors at play, from sector-specific trends to broader economic indicators. Investors will need to stay vigilant and adaptable as they navigate these choppy waters. Now let's get to the good stuff. The stock market is always full of surprises, and today was no exception. We saw some companies making significant strides, while others faced some tough challenges. The companies making waves and grabbing headlines. It's always fascinating to see which companies are on the rise and which ones are struggling to keep up. Let's dive into the details. On the winning side, we had insert fictional company name. This little-known biotech company skyrocketed over insert fictional percentage today on news of a promising breakthrough in their cancer treatment research. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach cancer treatment, and investors are clearly excited about the possibilities. The company's innovative approach and cutting-edge technology have put it in the spotlight, and it will be interesting to see how they continue to develop their research. Insert fictional company name. This electric vehicle manufacturer saw its stock surge, insert fictional percentage, after announcing a major partnership with a leading ride-sharing platform. This partnership is expected to significantly boost the company's sales and market presence, as more consumers look for sustainable and eco-friendly transportation options. The electric vehicle market is growing rapidly, and this company is well positioned to take advantage of the increasing demand. Their innovative designs and commitment to sustainability have made them a favorite among investors. And now, for the stocks that felt the sting of the bear today, insert fictional company name. This social media giant saw its stock plummet, insert fictional percentage, after reporting disappointing user growth numbers and concerns over future advertising revenue. The company has been struggling to retain users and attract new ones, and this latest report has raised serious questions about its long-term viability. Advertisers are also becoming more cautious, leading to a decrease in ad revenue. The company will need to find new ways to engage users and monetize its platform if it wants to turn things around. Insert fictional company name. This airline company took a nosedive, losing, insert fictional percentage, as rising fuel prices threatened to clip its wings and squeeze profit margins. The airline industry is highly sensitive to fuel price fluctuations, and this company is feeling the pressure. With fuel prices on the rise, the company is facing increased operational costs, which are eating into its profits. Additionally, the ongoing travel restrictions and reduced passenger numbers are adding to the challenges. The company will need to find ways to cut costs and improve efficiency to stay afloat. Remember folks, a single day's performance doesn't tell the whole story, but it does give us clues about which companies are riding the wave of positive sentiment and which ones are facing headwinds. It's important to keep an eye on the broader trends and consider the long-term potential of these companies. While some may be experiencing short-term setbacks, they could still have strong fundamentals and growth prospects. Conversely, today's winners might face challenges down the road. As always, do your research and stay informed to make the best investment decisions. Okay, time to connect the dots and understand what drove today's market action. Three big stories dominated the financial headlines, and they're likely to continue shaping the market in the days to come. First up, we've got a battle brewing in the tech world, and it's all about artificial intelligence. Second, energy stocks are on the move as geopolitical tensions flare up in insert fictional region country. And finally, just when we thought we could breathe easy, inflation fears are rearing their ugly head again. Let's break down each of these stories